Okay guys, this is one of the easiest recipes ever. I thought I'd make it for you because I love Amish culture. It's interesting to me. So first of all, we're going to put half a cup of oil. You can use any kind, it isn't specific in the recipe. And then half a cup of sugar. Mix that together. And then you're going to put in a large egg. I'm using a duck egg. Doesn't matter. So if you have small eggs, put 2 of them in. Whisk it all together. Now a teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then a pinch of salt, which I guess I didn't show here. A pinch of salt or half a teaspoon. And then you're going to put in 3/4 of a cup of milk. This is whole milk, which I recommend for this recipe. Just makes it creamier. And then 2 cups of oatmeal. And that is the whole recipe. But of course I always have to kick it up a little bit because the picture suggested that there was raisins in here. So I'm like, let's add some raisins. We have them. So I just grabbed a handful of raisins, put them in there. You could pre-soak your raisins, but they did fine in this recipe. It's a really moist recipe, it doesn't matter. And then you're going to put it in a 5x9 baking dish. My oven's been preheated to 350. I'm going to spray that baking dish down. Pour it in. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Doesn't make a lot. You could double this recipe if you had a bigger family. We have a small one. So and then you're going to bake this at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. I did 30 minutes. It was perfect for me at 30. Here's my Bubba. He's a sweet boy. Time to come out of the oven. You want to make sure it's not jiggly when it comes out. Firm, not too firm, but firm. A little bit of brown around the edges. And I will leave the recipe below for you guys. And there you go, that's what it looks like. Give it a taste. pretty good. It needs some cinnamon or something, but give it a try. You read all those novels from the Amish country and you hear a lot about baked oatmeal. So here you go. Thank you. God bless. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehogs Homestead.